Hi there, Kathy Burns here, your organizing energizer. Are you feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or just plain chaotic when it comes to staying organized? Well, I've got something exciting for you. This month, I'm hosting a free quick win get organized training, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Here's the deal. In just 30 minutes, I'm going to give you quick, actionable steps that you can take right now to turn your chaos into clarity, your overwhelm into productivity, and yes, even your disorganization into cash. Let's face it, when you get more done in less time, you get more productivity. When you get more productivity, you have the opportunity to make more cash. Now, I know what it feels like to be buried under piles of paper, disorganization, overwhelming deadlines, and plain old clutter. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. I know what it feels like to be overwhelmed with paper piles, clutter, and too many deadlines that you just feel like you can't miss. But guess what? It doesn't have to be like that. Here's the good news. You don't have to stay there. This training is designed specifically to give you immediate results, quick wins, and leave you feeling organized and in control. And the best part, it's only 30 minutes because let's face it, who has time for long-winded, big training programs where you really don't get anything done? This is all about fast, practical strategies you can use right away. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and register for free, and I will see you there. Let's turn your chaos into cash, your overwhelm into productivity, and let's make this your best month ever. Click the link below, and I'll see you there.